Do you want to use the backup of your Aternos server? If yes, then watch this video till then, because I make a similar Minecraft related videos. So you can subscribe my channel as well for similar Minecraft related videos. So first of all, I have created some servers. I have logged into aternos.org. These are the servers which I have created. You can go to the any one of them for which you want to take a backup, and after that in the left hand panel you can see these are the options. You need to scroll down and there's an option of backups. So just tap on this option, backups. So herein in backups option, you need to first of all you need to connect it to your Google Drive. So just tap on this option, connect Google Drive. So just tap on this option, and after that you need to connect it to a Google Drive. You need to log in to your Google account. So this is my Google account. I just need to tap on this, and I need to log in. I need to click on continue to provide access to my Google backup. So it is now, you can see Google Drive is now used. So you need to now create a backup. You need to click on create a backup. Tap on this. You can name the backup here. Anything you want to name. You can change the name of this backup as well. And it is now backup. As you can see, all backups are available. Or show all the servers. You can make your all servers or few servers. Turn this option on, and automatic backup option turn off and turn on option is this. So make it turn it on, and you can increase the number from here. The number of backup 4 5, and you can increase it by the time. So you can increase it from here, and so it is now you have created a backup for your server. Anytime you want to delete it, you can click on delete button, and if you want to restore this, you just click on restore button, and make sure that it will delete all your files from here. You can click on yes, and it will replace all your file. You can restore your data as well by clicking on this option. Anytime you want to unlink it, you can unlink. You can delete the backup from here as well. You can click on this delete button, and it is very easy. And if you want to uncheck it, you can uncheck all the servers from here, and you can unlink your Google Drive account as well from here. You can simply click on unlink from here, and it will unlink your Google account. And you can also go to your Google account settings. Even more settings from here. Go to Google account settings, click on data and privacy. So you can see here third party apps are services are used. Aternos is showing here. So you can simply tap on this, and you can remove Aternos from here. You can just click on this Aternos, and you can see this added. You can delete all the connection from here. Just click on delete and click on confirm. So it will delete all the connection from Aternos. You are no longer connected to Aternos. You are connected. So it is now done for you. So it is very easy. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. So in case you like this video, you can click on the like button, and if you have any query, you can comment it. And if you want similar Minecraft related videos, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye and take care.